Hello Common Threads family! My name is Chef Vicky Yao Young, and this month we are celebrating National Family Meals Month. Now each week we will be bringing you a new cultural recipe that's fun to cook and super fun to share with your entire family. Today I will be showing you how to make fried rice. Now, having been raised in a Chinese household, I ate fried rice quite often, and I have eaten many different combinations of fried rice. And that's really the beautiful thing about this dish, is that you can make it however you want with whatever ingredients you want. So let's get started. Now for today's fried rice recipe, we will be using minced garlic, soy sauce with curry paste, an egg, greens of our choice, diced red bell peppers, diced chicken, diced carrots, and brown rice that we have cooked a day ahead. Now for best results, fried rice should always be made with day-old rice to ensure that the end product is not soggy. Now I will be cooking today's fried rice in a wok, which is a dome-shaped pan that's found in most Asian households. If you do not have a wok, a sauté pan works just fine. So let's start by heating up our pan or our wok with a little bit of oil until it starts to get hot. Now once the oil in our pan starts to smoke, we can add in our diced chicken. We're going to let our diced chicken brown, and then we're going to add our red bell peppers and carrots. We're going to add our diced red bell peppers, diced carrots, and minced garlic. And we're going to saute that mixture until it becomes very fragrant. Next, we're going to add in our greens. And we're going to keep sauteing that mixture until our greens start to wilt. Once our greens have wilted, we're going to add in our brown rice. We're going to break up our brown rice and mix all the ingredients together. If your pan starts to get a little dry, add a little more oil. We're going to mix that a little more. And now if you're adding your egg, let's clear a pocket on one side of our pan, add a little more oil. And we're going to add in our egg in that space. Finally, we're going to add our soy sauce and red curry paste. And we're going to stir our fried rice until our mixture is homogeneous. Let's bowl up our fried rice. And there you have a beautiful brown fried rice with chicken and mixed vegetables. Today's recipe, as well as many other healthy and delicious recipes, can be found on Common Thread's digital resource hub, commonbites.org. My name is Chef Vicky Young, and this has been another weekly edition of Family Meals Month. Learn more about the movement at fmi.org and stay strong with family meals.